This is the Oraimo Power Box. Yes, they don't call it Power Bank, but rather they call it the Power Box. So this is the Oraimo Power Box, and I'll be using it for a while and then give you my review about the device. So just make sure you subscribe so that you can know whether this device is good for you to buy it or not. This video is about unboxing and also my first impression about the device. So just make sure you subscribe and like the video. I'll do videos right here on this platform. So one thing that I will say about Oraimo is that Oraimo is very good with packaging. When it comes to packaging, Oraimo is number one on the list. Trust me, Oraimo is very good with packaging. And as you can see on the screen, yes, this is just the beginning of it. With time, you will see much more about the device. So let's start with it. And if you're new, just subscribe. More videos will be coming right here on this platform. Let's start with it. Let's dive into the Oraimo Power Box. And first of all, I would say that the device is quite heavy. You could feel the weight when you lift it with just your one hand. Okay, the moment you lift it, you could feel the weight of the device. Carrying it around is okay. Okay, you could see that this device is not just a device that you'll be holding it and then be charging your phone. You need to always put it down and charge your phone because of the weight. And looking at the specification and also the features that the device comes with, it can charge your device up to 60% in 30 minutes. So they are saying that in just 30 minutes, your device will be charged to 60%. So we will just find out later in my review video, okay? And secondly, they are saying that it can charge up to 12 devices. So if you have just a single phone, you can charge your device with the power box for 12 times before the power box will go to 0%. That is what they are saying. You will find out as well. It comes with a LED digital display that will show your battery percentage, whether it's at 10%, 50%, 15 or 100% if after charging. Okay, it has 5 outputs for charging and also comes with a 3-watt handheld touch with SOS light alarm. And this power box is a 60,000 milliampere battery. So you could see right here, this is a 60,000 milliampere. Yes, so expect more from the device, and my review will really showcase everything that you need to know. Just subscribe. So this is Oraimo Power Box 600 OPB P600Q. Now unboxing the device, make sure you take a close look at how they have packaged their device, their things. Okay, look at the packaging very well. When you unbox the device, you will first meet the manual. So the manual comes with it so that you can just follow up, read, and then know more about the device that you have at hand. After that, you have or meet the charger. Okay, so it comes with its own charger and then also a Type-C cable. Not just any charger, but an 18 fast charge for you to use to charge the device, whether your phone or even the power box, which is actually a good idea because you don't need to go and buy any charger which can really affect the health of the power bank. Okay, yes, so always you'll be using that charger, 18 watts fast charge to charge the power box. Now let's dive into it more. But if you are subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. Now, looking at it, you could see that the power bank itself and nothing else again. So after the power bank, nothing else. So these are the only things that the power box comes with: the power box itself and also a charger, and that is it. Okay, now looking at it, you could see that the design is amazing. It is black beauty. I call it black beauty because the black is black, not just any black that some, yes. So black is black with the Oraimo power box. Okay, I like the way it has been designed, the shape, the color, and then also the texture, how it just looks like in your hand. I feel it. I just like it. Now looking at the front of the device, you could see 6 ports right here, and we have 1 to 4 ports. And with the 1 to 4 ports down here, we have 1 to 2, which are mostly used for charging your phone very fast. And then the other 2 is for normal charge. At the top right here, we have the Type-C port right here for charging your phone and also to charge the device as well. And then we have this last port for you to charge the device as well. Just in case you don't have Type-C, you can also use that as an alternative to charge your device or charge the power box. The power box. Okay, so yes, that is the port that we have right in front of it. Also, we have the LED display to show the percentage of your power box. Okay, so as you just tap on the power key right here, you'll be able to get to know the percentage of your power box. No need for you to worry about the percentage of your power box. You will see it right there, digital. At the top of it, we have the handle, and also we have the switch to turn on the 3 watts touch light. Okay, so we have the handle right here, which is very good. And also we have the touch light. So with the touch light, when you tap on it once, okay, it will just turn on the light. When you tap on it another one, it will also increase the brightness of the touch light. So the brightness is in 3 phases, okay, and then the last tap that you will tap on it, which is the fourth tap, will activate the SOS light alarm. Okay, so first one will just turn it on, second will increase the brightness, third will also increase the brightness, then the fourth will activate the SOS light alarm. And for you to see how bright it is, I just made this video for you. Just watch and then enjoy as well. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. The review will be coming, so just subscribe. Now that you have seen the brightness of the torchlight right here, let's give it a try by just testing it with our smartphone. So I just use this device, which is the Hot 40 Pro, to just give it a try with the testing. Okay, so we just connected our USB, and I always like the fast charging ports. Okay, so the fast charging ports are two, and I will be using most of it in the video that will be coming, okay, because I like fast charging instead of slow charge, okay, or the normal charge. Okay, so I will choose the fast charge, and then you can see that the device is working, and you could see the percentage of it right here. No need for you to worry, you will just always see the percentage. Okay, so I would say, per my first impression, me looking at the device, having this all ports, at least it comes with 5 ports for you to use. Okay, so I like it. The touchlight is not that bright, but you could see something. Okay, so I like it. I like it. I would say it is good. Okay, and also it comes with its um pad right here to avoid slipping over or falling. So it's cool. I like it. I would say that Oraimo, we will keep exploring, and then we will also make sure that we will give you the review video right here on this platform. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well, and then I will see you in the next video. Like the video and subscribe. Also, we have the Oraimo watch video coming very soon, so just subscribe and check in the comment section, or check on the screen. Maybe the video is posted already. Stay alive and bye for now.